Hello everyone, Rachel and I are here in Sofia, Bulgaria, and we've rented an Airbnb, and it's been a while since we've rented an Airbnb, so I'd like to do a video. I've made a few if you've seen them, but I'd like to give anyone who's curious an idea of this particular rental, maybe if they're interested in renting, or just friends and family, so come along and I'll show you. I wanted to point out, actually, Rachel and I thought this peephole was neat because the doorbell is actually here, and on the inside there's a privacy flap, which is pretty neat, but simple but neat. I'll go door by door. If you want to step in, Rachel, I'll close that door behind you. Thanks. So the first door that you come to is a sliding door, and this is where the shower is. It's pretty simple, stand-up shower. I mean, not much going on in there, yeah. But yeah, perfect for one person. I wouldn't probably recommend trying to squeeze two people in there though. The sink is just here. It's the next little nook in between the shower and the toilet here. So here's the toilet. The toilet itself is rather interesting. I've never seen a tank on a toilet like that. It's pretty neat, actually. Just here is a washing machine. Not really much going on back there. Just washing machine, some cleaning supplies, vacuum for cleaning up, I guess, either the maid or if you make a mess. This hallway here transitions into the common areas, the dining, kitchen area, living room area. Just over here is the fridge, decent sized fridge, I think. This second half of the home closes off through a keyed door, which I find intriguing. But anyway, this kitchen's decent. So far we've had everything we needed. There's no pan, but like frying pan, but we used like a big pot. It ended up working out. But yeah, you got fridge, you got a stove, which is great. At our home, actually in Spain, we don't have a stove, so we were like, yes, we get to bake stuff. And then, you know, a hood range, basic kitchen. She's left some teas and things of that nature. And then next to that, you've got the television, which you would watch from the chair here in the corner. And then you've got your basic, you know, IKEA type end tables and kitchen table. That there is actually the ductless air unit, which is pretty efficient, I think, in this space. What do you think?
Oh yeah, it's great. No doubt.
Yeah, for sure. It's nice and toasty in here, I guess, right now. We'll go this way into the really large bedroom. I think this is quite an impressive sized bedroom. I believe the unit rented, slept up to 6. They've got these two beds pushed together. I don't know if these are always together or if they've just done that because Rachel and I were messaging them, so they knew that we were a couple and they placed them together. Possibly, I'm unsure. But the street out here is actually just pretty busy, city life. If you want to poke your head out there. There's some theaters and things of that nature. There's actually a store just that way to get groceries. It's literally right around the corner. So that's pretty great. But yeah, there, if you want to shoot back that way, pretty basic in here as well. Like I said, IKEA tables, mirror, beds. We've got our stuff here in this wardrobe organized pretty good. So. But yeah, decent amount of space for storage. This door slides here to give you privacy. I don't believe any of the doors lock, but I don't think that would be an issue with someone renting this unit. Yeah, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching. If anyone's interested, I'm going to leave a link in the description that will apply for a discount for an Airbnb rental, actually, if you want to look into that. But thanks for joining us here in Sofia, Bulgaria.